I'm Dan Baker. Welcome to the Savory Spice Test Kitchen. Today, we're going to be making some arancini from the leftovers that we have from saffron and chanterelle risotto. The beautiful thing about this is it is elegant and simple, which basically just makes it one of the best recipes in our arsenal. What we have here is our risotto that's already been cooled. Now we put this in the fridge overnight, but basically you just want to take any of the heat off of it so that it actually holds together. And what we're going to do is get about 1 tablespoon, a rounded tablespoon I guess, scoop, and roll that into a ball. Now this is going to be a little bit bigger once it's breaded, but we'll make a few of those and get those on the pan here. Now if you wanted to stuff these with cheese, which you definitely could, you'd take about that same 1-inch scoop and you can get a little cube of mozzarella, tuck it right in the middle there, and then roll it up just the exact same. More cheese, some people love it. I'm not going to argue with them. It's a great idea. We're back, Jack, and I am ready to make that slurry now. So what we're going to do is take half a cup of flour and half a cup of water. Now this could be increased or decreased depending on how many arancini you have. But the big thing is you want to beat out all the lumps in here and make sure that's nice and smooth before you move on to the next step. We'll roll that in the slurry and then into our breadcrumbs. Now this is going to give you a little bit of dough finger, and that's all right. I just keep one clean hand and one dirty hand until we get through. And I'm going to make a bunch of these and put them on our prepared plate over here. They see me rolling, they're hating. It's fun to get messy when you cook. All right, so we are ready to fry. It's just that simple. So we're going to take some of our breaded arancini and we're going to dip those into our oil that's right about 375, 350, and it's pretty typical for the oil to drop just a little bit in temperature. And we don't want to overcrowd this, so we'll do about 4 at a time. And just allow those to turn golden brown. Now, it's actually kind of an orange color, which is where the name of these comes from. So, Arancia, which is like orange in Italian, and then cini, which means small, which translates roughly into little oranges, which is exactly what these look like when they're done. You can do larger, smaller, but we're doing these for like an appetizer, something you could have at like a Super Bowl party or an Oscar party or something you could serve to friends. So we want this to be real convenient, bite-sized. We don't want to have so much that it feels like you're eating an entire meal every arancini that you eat, but some people like them large. I don't know. And these should take right around 2 to 3 minutes, give or take. We're looking for that crust to just develop on the outside of the arancini. Sizzle, 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 sizzle. Don't forget the sizzle. It's about lunchtime here in the test kitchen and I'm getting excited. There it is. What are they supposed to look like? Like that. Like that. Nailed it.
You're good.
All right, so we've been frying for a while, and now our last batch is going in. We're about ready to plate. All right, get a little bit of our parsley here. Yeah, a little bit there. Maybe a little bit more than that, huh? And let's get our knife and chop this up. Because people like to eat food that looks pretty. Ready for final assembly. We're going to pair this with our rustic red sauce. If you don't know, now you know. Spice and Easy Rustic Red is the perfect side to go with our arancini. Get our last few arancini on there. Where's that parsley we were talking about? Oh yeah, there it is. Little rustic red on there. Ooh. I want to, yeah, now we're talking. That crunch though. Hope you enjoy yourself. We enjoyed having you here. Savory Test Kitchen, out.